Customers going, this is insane, it's such a coincidence. I literally just arrived on here. Like, just arrived. This is such a coincidence. You know, I'm just thinking about the train coming, it's insane. Oh gosh. What is that? Oh, it's the blue unit. Alright. I parked my bike over there, it should be good. Alright, here it comes. Wow, it's such a coincidence, insane. I was literally just thinking about it. Wow. Alright, here it comes. I'm too quiet now. Gosh, dude, they always blow the horn right when they're on me. It's so loud. Alright, I'm gonna wait for the crossings to go up. Oh, I couldn't fall over this time. Alright. Crossings aren't going up this time. I hate it when they do this because it causes people to drive around the crossings and, like, you know, it's not good. Anyways, crossings should go up. There they go. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.